Pledge. Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of it.
Proud of it.
Rich and
Rich and
varied heritage.
varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
Worthy of it.
I shall give respect to my parents,
I shall give respect to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders.
and all elders.
And treat everyone
And treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity
and prosperity.
alone lies
Alone lies
my happiness.
my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. Today thought is brought to you by T. Swati from Grade-IX Cerulean. Thought. Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. I will repeat it again. Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. Thank you. Everyone, today word is brought to you by Sirisha from Grade-IX Cerulean. Word blandishment. It spells as BLANDISMENT. It means actions or words used to proceed someone by flirting or trying to make them happy. Friends, please spell after me. BLANDISMENT. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today's international news is brought to you by Mohammed Abdul from Grade-IX Cerulean. Today's international news: Trump hosts Netanyahu in pushback of Gaza deal. Thank you.
National news. Over 30 crore farmers will join Bharat Bandh on 9th July 2025 against government policies. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. Myself, today's sports and state news is brought to you by AM Rush of Grade-IX Cerulean. State news. Sigaji Pharma blast, death toll raises to 42. Sports news. India under 19 versus England under 19. Fifth ODI. England won by 7 wickets. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's GK question is brought to you by Arhan of Grade-IX Cerulean. Question for grade 7. Which day is observed as National Voters Day? I am repeating once again. Which day is observed as National Voters Day? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 25th January. Question for grade 8. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Sahara Desert. Let us appreciate them. On which day UNO comes into existence? I am repeating once again. On which day UNO comes into existence? Existence.
Yeah.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is October 24, 1945. Let us appreciate them. Which is the smallest country in the world?
Vatican City.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Vatican City. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. Myself M. Vishant from Grade-IX Cerulean. I am going to deliver a small speech about success. Never give up because great things take time. Every mistake is a step towards success. Learn from it. Stay positive even when things get tough. Hard work, patience and belief can turn dreams into reality. Thank you.